Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to fix unequal column heights in WordPress using Gutenberg. In this tutorial, you will learn how to align columns on your WordPress site quickly and efficiently. We will walk through the process beginning with logging into your account and ending with applying the stretch to fill option so your columns appear even and balanced. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login button. By clicking on this login button, you start the process of accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is a simple but essential step, as it leads you into the management area where you can make changes to your site. After clicking the login button, you will see an option to continue with Google. Select this option, which leverages your Google account for authentication. When prompted, choose the Google account you want to use to sign into WordPress. This method streamlines the sign-in process by using a trusted account, making it both secure and convenient. Once you have selected your account, you will be logged into your WordPress site. Now that you are signed in, direct your focus to the area on your dashboard labeled Quick Links. In this section, look for an option that says Edit Site and click on it. This brings you to the site editor where you have the ability to modify your website's appearance and layout. The site editor in WordPress is an intuitive place to adjust various design elements, including the alignment of columns, which is the focus of today's guide. Within the site editor interface, find the specific column that you wish to align correctly. When you click on the desired column element, you are essentially selecting it for adjustments. This step is all about ensuring that you have the correct element in focus. Taking the time to verify that you've selected the right column will help prevent mistakes later in the process. After you have clicked on the column you wish to modify, direct your attention to the navigation bar present in the editor interface. On this navigation bar you will find an option known as the Align feature. Click on this Align feature to reveal several alignment options available for the column. This option is key in achieving an even, professional looking design, as it allows you to adjust the positioning of the column relative to your layout. Among the various alignment options that appear, locate and click on the option labeled Stretch to Fill. Selecting Stretch to Fill applies an automatic adjustment that forces the column's height to extend and fill the available vertical space, ensuring it aligns equally with any adjacent columns. This helps to create a balanced appearance on your page without the need for manual measurements or further adjustments. Following these steps, your WordPress columns should now have equal height, providing a more cohesive and visually appealing layout. By carefully navigating through the login process, accessing the site editor, selecting the correct column, and finally applying the Stretch to Fill option, you can quickly remedy any issues with unequal column height. This method offers a clear and straightforward solution for designers looking to enhance the look and functionality of their WordPress sites using Gutenberg. Enjoy your newly improved website layout and the ease of managing it with these simple steps.